Hello, my name is Ryan, and this is my submission to the Azure AI Developer Hackathon. So I've created the Oracle for you. And so what the Oracle does basically, I find myself, wanting to go out to dinner with my friends, family, go out, have some lunch, but I never know what I want. I don't want to make the decision. I don't really feel like, one particular food. And there's so many places to choose from, it gets overwhelming. So I created the Oracle to kind of streamline that decision and be able to take in an ambiguous colloquial prompt to and parse through that prompt and figure out what the user really wants. And so it's both on a Next.js front end. It's deployed on Azure, and it uses an Azure function app as the backend. It communicates through a microservice architecture doing that. So we can first come in here and just enter pretty basic prompts. I want to eat pizza for dinner. And so the prompt is going to be sent to OpenAI through the Azure function, one of them, one of the three, and it's going to get parsed by OpenAI model. And we're hoping that it's going to find a keyword such as pizza. That keyword is then going to be sent to Google Maps. Google Maps is going to use the keyword to run a search of all the pizza places in the area in a predefined radius. And then the pizza places are going to be sent to a third Azure function in OpenAI model again. And that OpenAI model is going to parse through the suggested restaurants, figure out which ones are the best rated, which ones have the best price range maybe, and add a little comment about it. And so we're saying Primanti Bros is maybe the best one here. We've given 5 options for them to choose from. And then let's say that we want to be a little more ambiguous. Let's say that, I want, oops, I want purple food for dinner, we'll say. And the Oracle is thinking, now we've got purple food. It's pretty ambiguous. It's pretty confusing. I don't know what you would get if you searched up Google Maps for that. But we're saying the Great Fuel Cafe has purple superfoods. Acai is a pretty good one. Yeah, that's definitely purple. So these are some pretty interesting responses to a really vague prompt. And so, there's a lot of future directions we could take this, right? We could allow the user to choose their own address. Right now it's just using the location data from the browser. Increase, decrease the radius. Choosing the own address allows them to research, maybe places that they're going, see what's good in a place they're taking a trip to, um, and then really elevate it. Add a similar Oracle for bars, points of interest, and everything like that. And so that's my submission. I hope you like it, and thank you.